Welcome to the Smart Woodshop. It really is smart today. I'm using the iPad and the iPhone, and I got all kind of technology running. So I have this camera, which is just running on its own with the wireless stuff, of course, to catch the audio. I have this camera above, which is another 4K camera, which is catching the view looking down, and I'm controlling that with the iPad so that I can see what it sees. But also with the iPad, I am looking up information to build the Paulk Total Station Ultralight. So I have a PDF and I've printed it. I've got a printed copy over here that I've been working with. And 11 by 17, it's pretty good. I got the text and stuff pretty readable. But I'll tell you, working off an iPad in the shop, and I say iPad because I'm in the Apple world, but obviously the other brands, Android or whatever out there, could do the same thing. The plan is a PDF, so that it's the most ubiquitous file format on the planet. So I just saved it over from my computer using AirDrop. Took like a second. And I installed it in iBooks, and iBooks on the iPad is where you can look at PDFs. And so what I can do now is I can come in and look at the full page, or if I want to look at some details and see some numbers, I can zoom right in. And because it's a PDF, it doesn't pixelate. You know, when you zoom in, it doesn't do like a JPEG does where it gets all grainy. It keeps the same quality. And then if I want to go to a different page, I just flip it over and can go to whatever page I need. So that's my tip, my Smart Woodshop tip for today is make sure you use technology. Most everybody has, I could do it on the iPhone too. I can, the same, because I'm in the cloud with this, I can open up the same document on my phone, and even though it'd be a lot smaller, I can zoom in and make it just as big to read text. So I use it, you know, the smartphone is my construction calculator as well as all the other things, camera, video, and those kind of things as well. But bringing the iPad into the shop to read plans, one, it'd save you the money of having a color set, you know, 17 pages, so it's going to cost a couple of dollars to have it printed. Save you from doing that. And also, if you're like me and you got these older eyes and it's hard to focus in on things, it's really nice to be able to zoom in. And I have a screen, one of the screen protectors on it, the glass screen protectors, and I use it in the shop all the time and out in the field as well with my photography. This is what I run my Sony still cameras with when I'm out doing real estate photography. It wirely hooks up to any Sony brands, because all the Sony camcorders and cameras have the Wi-Fi built into them, so it didn't cost you anything, and it works seamlessly with the Mac, and I'm sure with the others as well. So I can just connect, and when I'm doing my still camera, I'm able to walk around with this big screen and with the camera on a tripod and move things around and get it composed. Actually, my wife does that part. That's her specialty, but get the house composed and things moved around, and we can look right at it and see it on the screen, and then all we have to do is move out of the shot. We can see ourselves, we just move out of the shot, and we can touch to focus, we can change settings on the camera, and then we can also capture the shot, and then it fires the flashes and everything. So it's pretty amazing, and to think that it doesn't cost you anything if you've got the smartphone or the tablet, the iPad, you already own it. So when I think about dropping, you know, $1,000 or something on a tablet, to me it's not a big deal because it's so many tools built into one. Hey, if you like hanging out in the Smart Woodshop and you want to see more of these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, but most important, ring the bell so that you'll know when I drop a video. And not only that, I said that was most important, but even more important than that is to share the channel with others and help me grow my subscriber base. If you want a set of workbench plans or total station plans or the Smart Woodshop plans, you can click on the link right here in the video, or in the description down below, you can find the link as well. In addition, you can find my Amazon store, Ron's Amazon store, and everything in there are tools and materials that I use personally, my choice. And so if you want to get some yourself, you can purchase them through that link, and Amazon gives you the same price that they'd give you every day, but they share a little bit with us for bringing it to your attention. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.